Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer Cajun butter steak bites. Let's begin. We have here a value pack of New York strip steak. Let's open it up. We're going to cut off the excess fat. There we go. We're going to remove the fat. We're going to cut it into cubes. There we go. We cut it into cubes. It should look something like this. We have here some Slap Ya Mama Cajun seasoning. You can use any seasoning you like. We're going to season the steak bites. There you go. Flip it over and do the same thing. And season the other side. There we go. We're just going to spray a little bit of cooking oil on top. Flip it over and do the same thing. There you go. Try to use up some of the seasoning on the cutting board. There you go. I'm going to change out my gloves. We have here some chopped up green onions we'll be using later. And also we'll be using some salted butter. We'll be using around a half stick of butter, which is 4 tablespoons. Just going to take that out. And we'll melt that in the microwave later. We're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees. Okay, it's preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the steak bites. Here we go. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it on. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 7 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 7 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking great. I'm going to take them out. We're going to sprinkle some chopped up green onions on top. Next, we're going to brush some butter on top. Let's cut one open real quick. There we go. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer Cajun butter steak bites. Here. Have a bite. And thanks for watching.